In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a site audit in Ubersuggest. We'll go from opening your browser all the way to understanding the results so you can quickly spot issues that may be holding your website back and know what to address first. Start by opening your browser and searching for Ubersuggest. In the results, choose the official Ubersuggest site to make sure you're in the right place. Once you're on the home page, look for the sign in option and log into your account so you have full access to the audit tools. After you're signed in, find the left sidebar and click on the Site Audit button. This takes you to the audit area where you can analyze a website's technical and on-page SEO health. In the search bar, type your website's URL. For a complete picture, it's usually best to enter your main domain rather than a single page. Include the correct protocol, like HTTPS, and then click Search. Ubersuggest will start crawling your site to evaluate various elements, such as metadata, internal links, indexability, and performance. The scan may take a few minutes, especially if your site has many pages. It's normal for larger sites to take longer, so let the crawl finish to get a full and accurate report. When the crawl completes, you'll land on the report page. The first thing to look at is your on-page SEO score. Think of this as an overall health rating for your site, based on the issues the tool found. A higher score means fewer problems. A lower score means there's more room for improvement. This score is helpful for benchmarking over time, so you can see the impact of your fixes in future audits. Next, review the health check boxes, which group findings into critical errors, warnings, and recommendations. Critical errors are the highest priority because they can significantly affect visibility or user experience. Warnings are important but less urgent, and recommendations are best practices that can help you fine-tune performance. Tackle the critical items first to make the biggest impact with your time. Finally, examine site speed for both desktop and mobile. Speed affects user experience and can influence search performance. The report shows how quickly your pages load and where delays may occur. If you see slow times, common opportunities include compressing images, reducing unnecessary scripts, and improving caching. That's it. By following these steps, signing in, running the audit, and reviewing your score, issue categories, and speed, you'll have a clear roadmap for improving your site. Run audits regularly and after major updates to track progress and keep your site healthy.